Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Tereng. Welcome in Study with Nova. So today we will learn about a function, how we use a function. So in several chapters before, we use like using loop, we use know about dictionary, we know about tuples, we know about list, we know how to use while, and then this is the important chapter because this chapter have a lot of questions. I mean like 16 questions. It's like quite different than before. It's just like maximum is 12 questions. So this is really important. So the question is, write a functions called display message that print one sentence and telling everyone what you are learning about in this chapter, and then call the functions and make sure the message displayed correctly. So you just how to use the function, you just add def. The meaning def is like definition, and then your name function. Then your name function is display message and mas in kurung mas in kurung, and then don't forget titik dua. How that is how you to writing a functions. So the first one, write a function, yes, and then telling everyone what you are learning about in this chapter. The what to do is just add print and then f, and then I'm just add I'm learning a function in this chapter. Yes, done. Everything's very easy. And call the function and make sure the message displayed correctly, and then you just add display message. So it's easy, but somehow we are thinking why we must making like definition display message if we just only print them. I'm a learning function in this chapter. It's very easy, just add the print. But somehow, why this is important? Because if we have like a lot of codes in our work, so we didn't overwhelm with a lot of what to do, because the function is like a bundle of what to do in that little piece of code. So it's easier for us as a programmer to understand what the meaning of our works itself. So that's why the function is the meaning, def is meaning the definition, and then the name is as much as what to do in our codes. So that's why function is very important. So I hope I clear, but yeah, in this book I really had the great information that about parameter, and then what is the argument. So let's try another question next, but somehow please I would like to add, yes, the output is what you expected. I'm learning a function in this chapter, just only that I put. So that's I will add this. So wait a minute, git add just only Python. Wait a minute, is add message in a function, and then git push my wait a minute origin. Okay, done. Okay, done. Let's try another question. Yeah, more interesting question. Bye.